In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Squarespace. Whether you want to organize information, display data clearly, or just add a bit of flair to your site, tables can be incredibly useful. So let's walk through the steps together. To start, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace website editor. If you've already logged into your account, simply head over to your website's configuration page. It's the central hub for all your editing needs and where the magic begins. Once you're there, look for the option to add a block. This is a crucial step because Squarespace uses blocks to build all sorts of elements, from text and images to the tables we're aiming for today. Now that you've located the Add Block button, go ahead and click on it. You'll be presented with a variety of block types to choose from. For our purposes, focus on selecting the Code block. Why a code block, you might ask? Well, Squarespace doesn't have a native table option, which means we'll need to input HTML code to create one manually. It may sound a bit technical, but I promise it's easier than it seems. Next, you'll need to click on the Edit icon within the code block. This opens up a blank area where you can enter or paste code. If you're not familiar with HTML, don't worry. There are plenty of free resources online that can help you generate table code, or you could craft something simple yourself with just a few rows and columns to get started. Once you have your table code ready, simply paste it into the code editor. Make sure everything looks correct. If you're new to coding, it might be helpful to break down what each part of the code does. The tags define the table structure, while and tags help lay out rows and cells, with typically representing header data. After pasting your code, it's time to bring your changes to life. Hit that Save button. This ensures that all your hard work and updates are securely stored and immediately reflected on your site. Once it's saved, check out how your table appears on your web page. It's a good opportunity to preview how the design integrates with the rest of your content. And there you have it. You've successfully created a table on Squarespace using a code block. Remember that customization is easy. Feel free to tweak colors, adjust borders, or even experiment with different styles to make the table truly yours. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel empowered to utilize tables in your Squarespace projects. Happy editing!